Hey guys, so I got this tractor all done. Steering works great. I got the braces put on here. Made a pipe here in the middle with bearings on top and bottom. And I braced it down to the back here and that unbolts. And this is welded solid and it unbolts up here. So I could get to the steering gear and everything if I need to. So that works good. And the linkage goes back over there. I put the pedal over here because over here it would interfere with the linkage. So that works really good too. I just put a little bolt in there, a big bolt on that bracket. And this is a garage door opener arm. Goes from the opener to the door. I just threaded a piece of metal there for the foot pedal so it unbolts so I can pull it out the bottom if I need to. And instead of going to this side where the old pedal was, right here, I was going to make a linkage up over to here and pivot down over there, but it's a lot easier to go over here. I just ran it straight back to the rod that goes back to the brake over here. So I welded a little tab on it and just went to that. And that works good. So got the battery over here. And for the shifter, I shortened everything and made it bolt onto the body up there. I got a tab here and over to here, and that's the original arm, and this is the shifter arm here. Goes back to the linkage here, and it just pivots like that. So I determined how far the transmission needed to shift, and then I looked and see where this had to go in relation to the pivot to throw it far enough and stuff. So that works good in the original location. Got the key there and the throttle over here. Just loops back around over here, and had to put a shut off on it because the carburetor was leaking, and otherwise it's good. I didn't put any sort of locking mechanism on the bed. It doesn't seem to need it, but I had to put the weights and chains on it because it was skidding out when it was empty. Not enough weight in the back. So that works good now. Goes uphill fine in the mud. And as you can see, I've been hauling loads of wood with it, so it works. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.